All right. Looks like this is live. Hello, everyone. This is Fahad. I want to try something new today. I want to share what I would like to do in the coming weekends. I want to build a B2B SaaS and top life. I'm going to use a lot of AI tools to do this. So I'm here in a cafe in Dubai. Just going to show you around. There you go. Oh, so I want to welcome you all to Dubai. I'm Fahad. I'm here in my favorite cafe in the heart of the city. No fancy office, uh, no stuffy boardroom, just a laptop, uh, a bottle of water. Today is day one of something special. I'm about to start building a B2B SaaS product in public, right here from this cafe. Yes, in public. This means I'll be sharing everything with you, every step of the journey, from creating a logo to pushing it to people and see how they're going to use it. Why a cafe? Because great ideas don't need full walls of a corporate office. All you need is a passion, persistence, and sometimes nice people. An aroma of a fresh coffee in a nice cafe can get started. So in this coffee shop, the city's energy is buzzing sound. I'm just in front of Sheikh Zayed Road, and this is not the usual thing that they launch an app or a software product, right? So I'm starting my journey to build a software product from scratch. This is a live, transparent adventure where you get to watch, learn, and even join as it happens. The project, what am I trying to build? I'm trying to building SaaS in public. The title says it all. We'll be building a real product, fast and public view. No stealth mode, no NDAs, no secret levels. Every code is going to be published in Bitbucket or GitHub. Instead, I'm going to show full transparency from early ideas, sketches, to coding sessions, how the design works, the user feedback, iteration. This introduction is the start of the journey, and I'm so excited. To be honest, a little nervous to share it with you. So, why build in public? Uh, you might be thinking, why build in public, right? Uh, why not keep it under wraps until it's perfect? Um, why wait all this to launch it? Like, why do you share it first? Like, go build the designs, go build it. But that does not actually give you an idea of what it takes to build, right? I want to show you the progress, how it goes. I want to get the real feedback. And working in stealth mode for months, hiding your idea so no one steals it, is well outdated these days, right? I get it. Secrecy used to feel safe, but times have changed, right? Sharing early and openly have uh, proven to be a faster way to bring your product out and get people to use your product. And that's how it becomes successful, right? The key things why I want to build public is real feedback early on. So when I start building in public, I can get feedback right from you, not months. When I sunk into time, like rather than spending so much time building it, I want to hear honest opinions on features, designs, and ideas as I build. Think of it as a build-in feedback loop, right? Instead of guessing what users want, uh, I'll be asking you directly and adjusting in real time. If something's not working, I want to know immediately so I can fix or improve it. And if you love something that fuels me to make it better, and please leave a comment. And the second thing I would like to see is use the community and buy-in. So when you involve people in the journey, they feel like they're part of it. And if you suggest an idea and I implement it, suddenly it's our idea, right? And that creates a special kind of support. People love being heard, and when their input shapes a product, they become invested in the success. My hope is to build not just a product, but a little community around it. Fellow founders, friends, potential users, all of us cheering on this and contributing. Building in public means building with a support system instead of an isolation. Third thing is trust and transparency. Like, let's face it, right? Trust is everything, especially in a B2B software. When you're working with a business, one of the biggest problems with the business is they're worried about the data. Like, I'm going to show you how these data works in the backend systems, where it's being stored, what is the architecture of it, and how you can like self-host it yourself. Whole code is going to be covered. So I want to build trust with you. So you will see the human side of the startup. Uh, there's no hype, there's no smoke, there's no mirrors. It's just me. Uh, if I hit a blocker, I'll share it. I'm not gonna hide it. If I do something bad, everybody's gonna see what I did. I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes. So trust and transparency is key for building this and sharing for everybody. Right. So let's address the elephant in the room. Aren't you afraid that someone will steal your idea? No, honestly, no. Everything in this code, be it designs, be it Figma files, be it code, everything's going to be public from day one. Uh, and ideas are really cheap and it's all about execution. So my focus thought process, like I'm just going to constantly use this as a way to build it. So you will see me pair programming, coding, and building things, working with maybe with designers to design something cool and ship it to the people. AI has changed the way game, and I think this is the right way to build products in the coming future. Building fast in public is also keeps me accountable. Uh, if I tell you I'm going to launch a prototype maybe by next week, I have a whole community holding me to that promise, right? It's a great motivator, and it turns what can be lonely solo founder journey into a collaborative mission. I want this to be fun. I want it to be inspiring, and want it to be driven by actual needs and not assumptions. That's the heart of building in public for me. No stealth mode. There's not going to be any NDAs. Just a founder, an idea, and a community to help shape it. Uh, I've been thinking what to build. I've some ideas. I want to do something in B2B. I want to start something maybe like a low hanging fruit, something like a field team tracking app. Why do you want a field team tracking app? Especially in Dubai, right? Dubai is a very cars driven market. You'll have a lot of teams working in deliveries, handling a lot more at scale. Especially they spend most of the time on their delivery vehicles moving from one customer location to another customer location uh, to deliver their product or service there, right? It's very difficult for an operational manager to have a visibility of where their uh, employees are, whether they're checking in, checking out, managing the attendance, managing the fuel of the vehicle. There's a lack of visibility, right? So why a fee team tracker? Because it's a real problem. I've seen it close. I've seen some of our friends' company face it as well. So a couple of years ago, I have a friend here in Dubai who managed a very small delivery team, and every day he struggles to find where his drivers are, what's happening with deliveries, what's happening with the services that is to be done for the customer and it's crazy that he has to constantly get WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp live locations, and then use spreadsheet to track it. It was a chaos, right? And he's not alone, right? Think of like maintenance crews, and you have uh, a sales rep on the field and on-site service teams. So many businesses in Dubai around the world have people opt in to the field, and it's no easy way to track and coordinate them. I felt that pain myself in a past project managing on-site technicians, and it was frustrating. I worked in a food delivery company in Qatar, and I really know how difficult it is to track them. And people get lost, and customers keep waiting simply because we lack visibility into our team's whereabouts and progress. I choose this problem because it matters. So it can help even a handful of companies know where their field teams are and streamline their day-to-day operations. That's a huge thing for a operational manager. So it's like imagine a manager and he opens an application and he sees where is Ali. Ali is at Sharjah and he has a task to be done at Dubai, so he has to travel on the way. And if a new task comes in, you'll see who's closest and you try to sign it. So all in real time. So there's a real time location tracker. So um, I don't have any roadmap with me. I'm just thinking through what are the key features I need to build this, right? The vision of the app is very simple. A simple, user-friendly tool for managers and their field teams. It's going to be a real-time location tracking. I can assign a assignment on this, the ability to assign tasks to a specific person, with very few clicks and maybe a few members to update the status, like the work started, it's in progress, it's completed. So everyone stays in the loop. Second thing is like instant communication. So you can coordinate with your managers to let them know, oh no, this delivery is was not able to fulfill because the customer was not available at the home, or the customer did not pick up the call. So they check in at the customer's location, and then they mark the location that the customer is not responsive, and they move from that location. Right? All of these are like tiny details that actually impacts the business delivery. So keeping them updated helps them to change the schedule, so the operations manager keeps aware of what's happening. Daily reports analytics, like each check-in and check-out needs to have, they need to understand what's the fuel consumption of that particular day. They helps you track the fuel, helps you track the assets. Now, this is the starting idea. It's not a set stone. It's just in shape, and it's just a few features. I'm not going to do a lot of features. It's just to get bad minimum, just 4 or 5 features. Real-time location tracking, task assignment, maybe instant communication on the status of the task, and daily reports and insights is more than enough to solve this particular problem. So let's see if we can get this done over a week. We're going to use a lot of AI tools to do this. Even in these early sketches and plans, I've been chatting with few of my friends who can help me with designing it. So I'll have one of the designer, I'll have one of probably a mobile app developer to help me do the mobile app stuff, and I'll work along to do some of these. So the mobile app developer will also be like a co-founder part of this. They help me offload a lot of things, and try to take up the front end and back end systems. Yeah. So the roadmap is just to build fast and open, uh, from idea to product, A to Z. So how am I going to build this? Let me walk you through what it will look like. Probably ideation and design. I would like to get it done maybe in 1 or 2 days, maybe by tomorrow, and then I will have 3 weeks of MVP, and uh, fourth week probably should launch an MVP. Of that's that's what we are looking at. Uh, and then I'll try to get some feedback from the community to test it out and let me know what needs to be improved. And see if I can go talk to actual users and see if there are any early adopters, and and keep continuing and reiterating the builds. So it's going to be a community-driven development. So what's your role? So let's talk about you for a second. The community, the viewers, the fellow builders who's going to help me. In one word, your voice matters at every step. I want to make one thing clear. I can't do this alone, and I don't want to. Your feedback, your ideas, even your criticism, your fuel to the journey. When I say it's building in public, it's not just to me show of code. It's an open invitation for you to get involved. If you're a designer, you can come join and do some of the designing things. If you're a developer, you can raise a comment on a PR and say, "Hey, this is a nice way to do it. This architecture is better." So I've decided a tech stack for this. The mobile app is going to be on Flutter. So if you can help us with Flutter, always welcome. Um, the front end is going to be on Next.js. The back end is going to be on Node.js, and the database is going to be on Supperbase. Uh, yeah, so this is what I have at the moment. I've not decided on uh, what's the landing page site going to be. I'm thinking to use Web Studio for uh, getting the landing page right. As I share screenshots and demo videos, I want to get early feedback from you guys. That's one thing. So you not only contribute as a part of a team, now you contribute to give the feedbacks. Engage in live sessions. I'm going to show once the coding session is there. I would like to get a feedback on my code reviews, my code in properly formatted. Uh, is it follow the right syntax? Q and A's, maybe design and brainstorming. Spread the word. This one's optional, but I I love if you could share the word to people. So that's something that uh, finally I want this project to show that the user is the king and they can influence a decision. I'm committing to a user first approach. open source, and every major decision from which the feature to build has to closely resonate to what the user wants. So, if you're a business that wants to customize your SaaS product on a field sales tracking app, oh yeah, you see this feature is good, you're using this, and you wanted to have it, we let us know, and then we'll see how we can find a roadmap for this. So that's me, and me and my co-founder here in Dubai during weekends to build a B2B SaaS product in public. I've shared my vision, my plan, and my reasons. Now I'm asking you to join me. This isn't just money. I sincerely want it to be a journey. There's an African proverb that I love. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, uh, go together, right? So I want to go far and fast. And to do that, I'm going together with all of you right from the start. And so here's my call of action for you. Follow the journey, hit the subscribe button, follow me on social media. I haven't set up all my social medias yet, so I need to do that. There's a lot of groundwork. So, but uh, start giving feedback, get involved, keep keep in touch, and I'm gonna get next steps is like probably the next step is I'm gonna get a logo and name for the field tracker application. I don't have anything in mind. If you have something in mind, do let us know. Something that would be good for UAE. We're gonna have most of our things that's gonna be built in UAE, and that's it. So there I am here in a coffee shop. So thank you. See ya. Bye.